world of high-tech innovation, whispers of a comeback echo through the corridors of power. OnPassive, led by the enigmatic Ash Mufareh, is preparing to reopen its doors, sending ripples of surprise and concern across the industry. Picture this: a room filled with CEOs of tech giants, each one who once dismissed OnPassive as a failed venture. They believed that transparency was a flaw, that Ash's openness about the growing pains was a misstep. They felt safe, confident that their secrets were their strength. But now they sit in silence, brows furrowed, as news of OnPassive's resurgence breaks. Ash Mufareh's bold claim of being 3,000% sure of success hangs in the air, challenging everything they thought they knew. With OnPassive poised to shake the foundations of the industry, these leaders must confront a new reality. Their past assumptions are shattered as the company they once underestimated rises as a formidable competitor. The mood in the room shifts from disbelief to an uneasy acknowledgement of OnPassive's potential. The very company deemed too good to be true is now very real and ready to challenge the status quo. For the CEOs who once felt secure in their lofty positions, this revelation is both a shock and a call to action. They must navigate this new landscape where OnPassive stands not just as a player, but as a leader in innovation. As the video closes, we leave the audience with a powerful message. In the ever-evolving world of technology, never underestimate the power of vision and resilience. OnPassive's story is just beginning, and its impact is only starting to unfold. Stay tuned as this tale of unexpected success and industry disruption continues to develop.
In the world of business, skepticism often shrouds the emergence of new players. Remember the naysayers who doubted Amazon would ever evolve beyond an online bookshop? Those same voices missed out on becoming part of a behemoth that now towers over the Fortune 500. Today, a new name is echoing in the corridors of innovation: OnPassive. Imagine a company unlike any other, a company not confined by the traditional shackles of public trading or stockholder pressures. Unlike the top Fortune 500 companies, where CEOs can be swapped out at the whim of a board, OnPassive offers a different path, a path where control remains firmly with those who believe in its vision, its founders and affiliates. Led by visionary Ash Mufareh, OnPassive promises to redefine business norms. Its unique model doesn't just invite investment, it invites participation. It's a model that has already closed its founders' positions, much to the relief of some who doubted its potential. But Ash wasn't done. He extended an invitation to become affiliates, setting the stage for explosive growth. In a world where technology advances at lightning speed, OnPassive is poised to disrupt, innovate, and transform. It stands ready to challenge the status quo, giving sleepless nights to conventional CEOs and offering new hope to those eager to be part of something revolutionary. As we stand on the brink of this new era, OnPassive's story is just beginning. Join us on this visionary journey and witness how OnPassive is set to change the game forever. The future is OnPassive, and it's unfolding right now.